What's up you guys, welcome to the new video, and today I'll be using two different bots to write my Pinterest board descriptions. For these few descriptions I'm gonna use the first bot, and for the other few I'm gonna use a second bot, and you'll see the benefits of one and the other. Alright, first of all you need to pick a board for which you need the description for, and the first bot usually performs better with single word boards, so I'm gonna use this one. The first bot is called WriteSonic. It's writesonic.com, and all you need to do is make a free account and you get, I think, 10 free projects, and the system works on credits and you can earn free credits by doing this stuff here. Alright, so let's go home and start a new project. Alright, now you're offered these tabs here. We can choose AI article intros. You need minimum 5 words to revolve an article around them. So our board is based on furniture and woodworking, so I guess we will go with furniture making, woodworking. What can we fit? Ideas. DIY. And that's enough for the bot to generate it. Alright, now we're offered 5 different descriptions, and you can pick and choose which one of these 5 fits your board the best. So let's say you like this one, you can just copy and paste it to your board description. And there we go. Looks fine, and press done. And there you go, you have your board description here with relevant keywords that fit in your board. Alright, next up we can do carving. Alright. There we go. Click article intros again and start giving the site your keywords. Let's see what we'll get. I would recommend you go with these shorter ones because Pinterest allows you only around, I think, 700 words per board description. Okay, let's say you want this one. You can copy and paste it here, and you can re-edit it. This is just the basic skeleton of your description. Alright, now for the second method we will use a bot called Quillbot. Now this bot does not write articles, but he rewrites them. So if you found an article or a description that you really like, you can use this method to rewrite it and make it a bit more of your own. Alright, for this one you can go to Pinterest again and find boards that are similar to yours, and have the ideal thing would be that they have the same title and everything. So, and you can just copy their description. Like I found this one, woodworking plans, and I have my board here, also called woodworking plans. So I will just copy this and paste it to Quillbot. And usually you have the limit of 300 characters per rewrite, but if you make an account with Quillbot and log in, it's completely free. You will get another 400. Alright, so let's paraphrase it. Alright, so you can see what he did here. It's completely rewritten, and I would say it's even more readable than this one. So you can just copy this and paste it here again. And after you did this for each and every one of your boards, I would recommend to go and look for some mistakes or things you want to do differently and rewrite some stuff, add some keyword or things like that. And also for the keyword optimization part, I would add 3 hashtags related to the board. So oh, see, the limit is 500 characters, not 700. So I guess 1 hashtag, and I'll rewrite this and add a few more hashtags. Alright, now we can proceed to the next one. I guess I'll use this one. This is for my homemade tools board, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, this one is for furniture. I already did furniture with the first bot. Alright, so let's see this one. Dedicated to woodworking basic DIY tips, how to tutorials. Oh, and if you want to find these bots, I left 2 links in the description for each one of them. Alright, I think we can use this description for our tips and tricks board. Yeah, DIY tips, tutorials. Alright. Now you can delete this and paste this. And as you can see, he needs a little bit time to rewrite it all. And there we go. So mark all of this, copy it, and where is it? And paste it here. And don't forget to add hashtags. So this is tips and tricks. We can go with DIY, woodworking tips, and woodworking tricks. There we go, done. Alright, that's I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you learned something new or like the video, please don't forget to beat the shit out of that like button and subscribe for more. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.